Considered as the future of transportation, these electric-powered vehicles are becoming the trend nowadays because of their countless benefits and advantages. With all the types of e-bikes being manufactured today, you'll surely find one that fits perfectly for you. Here are the 14 best electric bikes in the market this 2021. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Also make sure to check out our store, electricbikeparadise.com, for more amazing and affordable electric bicycles that fit perfectly for you. Now, let's get started. 14. Eunorau 1000-watt fat tire electric mountain bike. A simple-looking electric mountain bike, Eunorau's very own fat tire EMTB houses a powerful 1000-watt Bafang brushless mid-motor. This much power pushes you to the edge in every off-road and mountain adventure you take. The long-lasting range, 40 miles, of this EMTB's 48 volts 15.6 amp-hour battery can get you going anytime and anywhere. Because this e-bike features the pedal assist and full thumb throttle modes. And with its maximum assisted speed of 28 miles per hour, you'll get there before you know it. This e-bike is such a steal because it also comes with an LCD screen and front and back LED lights. 13. Green Bike USA GB Low Step Fat Tire 750-watt folding fat tire electric bike. This folding e-bike is powered by a 750-watt Nexus motor, great for both climbing hills and long-distance trips. It comes with a fast-charging 48 volts 18.2 amp-hour Samsung battery that can go a maximum distance of 60 miles in just a single charge. It also features a pair of puncture-free 20x4 wide tires that provide you with a smooth and cozy ride. 12. Rambo Roamer 750-watt fat tire electric hunting bike. If you're the kind of person who's into hunting sports and would love to have a reliable companion, then you should get yourself one of Rambo's high-performance electric hunting bike. The Roamer is made from high-strength 6061 aluminum alloy that has high corrosion resistance. The Roamer showcases its whopping 750-watt Bafang high-torque mid-drive motor that is ideally designed for accomplishing extraordinary tasks. It features Rambo's Samsung 48 volts 14 amp-hour battery that ranges up to 35 miles. Some of the nicest features this hunting e-bike has are the Logan dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes for excellent stopping power, heavy-duty Kenda Crusade fat tires with double rims, and of course an LCD screen. If speed is also your concern, don't worry because the Roamer has a top speed of 20 miles per hour. 11. Emojo Lynx Pro Basic Ultra 500-watt folding electric bike. The Emojo Lynx Pro Basic Ultra houses a 500-watt brushless hub motor that provides adequate electric assistance and boost to your pedaling movements. Perfect for daily commuting, this folding bike is equipped with a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery having a range of up to 30 miles. The Emojo Lynx features wide Kenda tires and Step-Thru disc brakes, making it a reliable beach cruiser bike. 10. Green Bike USA GB 500-watt folding fat tire electric bike. It is equipped with a 500-watt DC motor installed inside the rear wheel. It provides you with additional assistance and boost to conquer even the steepest hills. Featuring a high-capacity 48-volt 13 amp-hour battery with a distance range of up to 50 miles, the GB1's 9 levels of pedal assistance together with its 6-speed Shimano Acera, you will be sure to get the maximum convenience out of this compact, yet powerful fat tire electric bike. 9. Eunorau New-Trike 500-watt folding electric trike. The Eunorau electric trike is one of the most heavy-duty cargo e-bikes in the market today. It highlights its 500-watt front-wheel hub motor that is more than capable of assisting and providing the additional boost you need. Attached to the seat post just below the saddle is the long-lasting lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 30 to 40 miles, making it a very good utility and commuter e-bike. This three-wheeled cargo bike features a foldable frame with a mid-fold, step-through design. Its frame is made from 100% aluminum alloy, a durable material that will surely last for many years. 8. Ecotric Vortex 350-watt 7-speed cruiser electric bike. This electric city bike remains to be one of Ecotric's most famous and affordable electric bikes. It shows off its 350-watt rear hub motor that allows you to move and climb steep hills smoothly and with confidence. Classified as an electric road bike, the Ecotric Vortex has a long way to go with its 36-volt 9 amp-hour high-capacity battery. It features a speed sensor to provide more accurate electric assistance, mechanical disc brakes with awesome stopping power, and a 7-speed Shimano derailleur system. 7. Elby S1 48-volt 500W electric comfort bike. It is a comfort electric bike that is powered by a 500-watt hybrid direct drive electric motor. Its premium 48-volt lithium-ion battery pack has an astounding range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. Unlike any other electric bikes, the Elby S1 boasts its Bluetooth function compatible with Apple and Android smartphones using the Elby app, which also includes map function for easier navigation. The Elby S1 features a unique step-through frame design with oversized aluminum tubing that will surely stand out as a commuter bike. This e-bike is equipped with Continental tires, an extra bright supernova front and rear lights. Loving the list so far? Remember to shop our selection at electricbikeparadise.com and use code FLASH5 to get 5% off your purchase. Now let's get back to the video. 6. Nakto Super Cruiser 500-watt fat tire electric bike. This is the perfect bike for adults and anyone who wants a sporty ride that can go anywhere. The Nakto Cruiser electric bike is powered by a 36-volt AOMA 500-watt brushless DC hub motor sitting inside the rear wheel for direct torque on the road. It can reach 21 miles per hour on throttle alone and has a top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. This model has a 36-volt lithium-ion battery pack with 12 amp-hour capacity that has a range of 30 to 35 miles, so it has more than enough power to last throughout the day. The Nakto Super Cruiser electric fat bike features a twist throttle and pedal assist function with 6 levels of assist. The equipped 26-inch spoked rims with 4-inch CST BFT fat tires are anti-skid and provide excellent cushioning on rough paths and better grip on loose surfaces. 5. Nakto Discovery 300-watt cruiser fat tire electric bike. You'll surely love this e-bike for its solid 300-watt rear hub motor and Tianning 48 volts, 8 amp-hour battery. You can travel to work or school with speed and confidence because this fat tire electric bike can reach a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour and go as far as 25 miles with the pedal assist. Have a safe ride. This bike displays every details you need on your journey on the stunning LCD system located on the handlebars. It features a twist throttle that gives you instant power to overcome steep slopes and challenging terrains. With all the unique features it offers, you'll never regret buying this fat tire electric bike. 4. Eunorau 750-watt cargo electric bike Max Cargo. This bike has a whopping 750-watt direct drive motor that is powerful enough to support and transport small to large parcels. It is equipped with a 48-volt 11.6 amp-hour lithium-ion Samsung battery that can last up to 30 miles. It's a perfect cargo bike for delivering goods and packages all over the city. If ever you're in a hurry, don't worry because the Eunorau Max Cargo can go as fast as 20 miles per hour. 3. Micargi Raiatea 500-watt tandem electric bike. The Micargi Raiatea is powered by a 500-watt hub motor located at the rear wheel. At the center of the tandem bike is the Samsung 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery with a range of 30 miles, making this e-bike a reliable source of fun for friends and families. 2. Rambo Rampage 1000-watt full suspension fat tire electric hunting bike. One of Rambo's extreme performance e-bikes is the Rambo Rampage. This one is Rambo's top-of-the-line electric hunting bike crafted into perfection to withstand even the roughest terrain. The Rampage is a full suspension fat tire electric bike that showcases its 1000-watt extreme performance Bafang Ultra Drive motor. With its ingenious frame-integrated battery design, your e-bike's center of gravity rests lower on the bike frame, resulting in greater stability. The 21 amp-hour battery has the capacity of covering a maximum distance of 60 miles per complete charge. As a superior fat tire e-bike, the Rampage brags its durable, puncture-proof Maxxis Minion 27.5 by 2.8 tires. This e-bike can go as fast as 28 miles per hour and can be operated through the pedal assist mode, thumb throttle, or just like a traditional bicycle. 1. Nakto Classic 250-watt Step-Thru electric bike. Get a glimpse of the whole city and ride conveniently with the Nakto Classic Step-Thru electric bike. Having that touch of femininity, this classic-looking Step-Thru e-bike is perfect for women in dresses. The Nakto Classic is powered by a 250-watt electric motor capable enough of providing extra boost and assistance while going around town. With the 36-volt 12 amp-hour battery's capacity to go a distance range of 18 to 20 miles, you'll surely have no worries pedaling your way through any paved roads. That's all, folks. Comment down below which one of these e-bikes are you going to pick. Remember, you can find all of these e-bikes on the description below. Or if you're still in the search for other e-bikes on the market, browse our wide selection of e-bikes at electricbikeparadise.com or call us directly at 800-590-2738. Our sales agent are available to talk from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We hope that this video helped you find the best electric bike that perfectly suit your needs. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and notification bell.